All right. It's a slightly rainy day, overcast, lots of clouds in the sky. I believe it's a perfect time to go for a little hike, do some fishing. I don't know if you guys can see all those mosquitoes flying around me, but if I start walking through these woods, maybe the mosquitoes will leave me alone. So right off the path that I drove the vehicle, there's this path that I can walk through. And every so often there's a little tag so you don't get lost. It's always a good thing to do around here. So there could be wild animals around here. There could be bears. There could be deer. There could be raccoons. There could be rabbits. All kinds of stuff. Alright, so we're going to go this way. Alright, I'm at a point where there's a fork. I can either go that way or I can go that way, so I'm going to go that way. I don't know if you guys can hear the waterfalls from here, but you can start to see the water. Oh, she's a beauty down there today. Alright, but we're going to go on top of the waterfalls, and there's some pools up there that I'm going to try fishing for trout. I've had luck in the past, but it's a hard way to get down. The water's actually pretty high compared to what I'm used to, so that's a good sign. You see what I mean? How hard that would be to get down? It's a good 20 foot drop right there. So we'll just go around. I know an easier way. And it's right here. I say easier, but it's really not that easy. But if you take it one step at a time, you can make it all the way down. So I'll show you what I just did. So this went down that there. And I end up in this alleyway, or gorge I guess you would call it, because there's cliffs of granite and all kinds of rocks all the way around me. And it goes way up there. But at the bottom of those cliffs, there's waterfalls. And that's where I'm headed right now. Actually, the location that I'm going at, I think I just saw some fish jump. So it might be perfect timing because of the overcast and the rain. So we're just going to go through all this stuff. Their feet are wet right now because of the grass and the rain and everything. So that means if I want to get into the water, I probably will at some point. Alright. So here's the pool that I'm going to try fishing. Beautiful, beautiful location. Great big high cliffs on both sides. Lead down to this little crevice. It's probably about 7 feet deep right now. Usually when I come it's only about 5 or 6 feet deep. So usually where I'm walking right here is all dry. Alright, I'm gonna get set up to do some fishing. And hope you guys enjoy this video.